I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax for your business. First, understand your business structure, like a sole proprietorship or LLC, as this impacts your tax obligations. Next, gather all financial records, including income and expense statements. Finally, identify the specific tax forms required for your business entity. This foundational preparation ensures a smooth filing process. To begin, compile all income statements, sales receipts, and expense records, such as utility bills and payroll. If you paid independent contractors, ensure you have Form 1099 NEC for each. Depending on your business type, you might need forms like Schedule C for sole proprietors, Form 1120 for corporations, or Form 1065 for partnerships. Having these ready saves time. Now, calculate your total gross income from all business operations. Then, meticulously list and sum up all your eligible business expenses. These can include office supplies, rent, and employee wages. Subtracting your total expenses from your gross income will give you your net taxable business income. Accuracy here is crucial for correct tax liability. With your calculations complete, fill out all federal and any applicable state tax forms. Double-check every entry for accuracy to avoid errors or audits. Once confident, submit your return electronically or by mail. Finally, ensure any taxes owed are paid by the designated deadline to prevent penalties. Congratulations, you filed your business income tax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.